Top 5 Best Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best electric dynamic crimping machine? If you received a new electric dynamic crimping machine, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best electric dynamic crimping machine on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine Pneumatic Cable Crimping Tool, Model AM10, is a high-efficiency wire processing tool designed for industrial and electrical applications. It offers fast, precise, and reliable terminal crimping, handling a wide range of crimp terminals. The pneumatic drive system allows for smooth operation with minimal manual effort, boosting productivity. Crafted with precision components from mainland China, it fits seamlessly into workshop and assembly line environments. The AM10 adapts to various cable sizes, providing user-friendly operation and reduced fatigue. Number 2. The Vever Hydraulic Hose Crimper 71500FS 7842B is a powerful and portable Hydra-Krimp tool designed for air conditioning and hose repair. It features a durable hand aluminum pump, multiple aluminum alloy dies, a manual piston valve, and a maximum output pressure of 700 kg per square centimeter. Made from rugged steel with a stamper hardness of 53 HRC, it is compact, lightweight, and has a 350 cubic centimeters oil capacity. It is ideal for on-site repairs or in-shop use in HVAC, automotive, and industrial settings. Crafted in mainland China, it ensures professional results every time. Number 3. The Cold Pressing Terminal Crimping Machine YQ02A is a versatile tool for efficient wire terminal crimping. It features a 60W electric motor with dual voltage support, ensuring consistent speed of 50 RPM. Its compact design and 4mm jaw width make it ideal for male-to-male terminal connections. CE certified, it meets global quality and safety standards. The crimper is customizable to suit different industries and weighs only 12 kg. Made in mainland China, it ensures reliable cold press connections and is easy to move and integrate into any workspace. Number 4. The Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine is a low-noise, precision wire terminal crimping tool designed for DIY and professional use. Its electric dynamic mechanism ensures fast and efficient operation, offering strong connections without damaging the wire. Designed for cold pressing, it operates with low noise, making it ideal for quiet work environments. This customizable tool adapts to various terminal sizes and applications, making it a reliable choice for long-term electrical use. Crafted in mainland China, it's easy to operate and a reliable upgrade to your wiring toolkit. Number 5. The AM10 Electric Dynamic Crimping Machine by Yunli is a versatile tool for fast and accurate terminal crimping. It supports cold pressing for non-insulated terminals up to 10 mm superscript 2 and combines electric power and pneumatic efficiency. Operating within an air pressure range of 0.5-0.7 MPa, it delivers a maximum output of 1.3 tons. With a compact size, it's suitable for various wire terminal applications and is easy to operate and maintain. Engineered in mainland China, it's ideal for wire harness production, electronics, and automation work. Thanks for watching the video.